Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install rare and zip packing or unpacking app on a Vivo Y35. And to do this we'll need to open the Google Play Store. Here try to find app called Rare. Select it and download it. After installation process is finished, you should be able to launch that app, allow access to manage all files, and right here you can find the files and pack or unpack them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.